Hey Vechain holder, so in this video we completely discuss about the Vechain price target in 2022. Can they will reach our target or not, my brother? You also tell us in our comment box. This is very important, my brother. And I also post, my friend, in the comment box community tab, my friends, too. When can they will hit, my friend, 0 point, my friend, our target or not, my brother? So this time, my brother, you know the last 1 hour chart, the last 1 year chart is on the screen, and this time Vechain latest price is 0.1 USD. So remember this price target, my brother. As you can see at this time, the chart is on the screen. This is last 1 year chart, and this chart is completely showing, my brothers, too, especially in last 3 months, my friend, this coin is starting moving upward now. Otherwise, my friend, in all year, my friend, this coin is not going upward, my friend. So you can see at this time Vechain is wake off after a very long time, but absolutely they will hit, my friend, 0.25 USD dollar. It's a very good profit now, my brother. You know, if you invest for a long time, then absolutely, my friend, this coin is not good, my friend. You know, I will clearly tell you, my brothers, to Vechain is not good coin, my friend, for a long time investor. This is good for a short time investor. I think you just in only if you want to hold it, so just in only for 1 month you hold it now and sell it at the end of month. This is very good, my friend. And if you invest for a long time, then absolutely this coin very bad. Now you know why I tell you this? Because you can see, my brother, after this jump, my friend, you can see here, after this jump they face down again, and the price again come to 0.10 USD dollars. So it's mean, my brothers, to just in only in 1 month they will move off, and 1 month they will face down. So therefore I'm 100% sure, my brothers, to this coin is not good for a long term investor now. So let's see, my brother, if we check out this time, you can see the move of last days. So exactly, my friends, they take a short jump, short fail, but there is no big jump, my brothers. So I'm 100% sure, my brothers, to upcoming time they will move upward now, but you need to hold it now. You can see, my brothers, this time the resistance line is come out here. So it's mean, my brothers, the dot line, you know, the dot line 0.20 USD dollar. So it's mean, my brothers, to upcoming time they will hit easily 0.20 USD dollar, but my brothers 0.21 USD dollar. But my friend, it is possible to they will hit 1 USD dollar just in only the 2022, but this is possible to you hold it now. But a lot of holder, my friends, doing very big mistake to they are starting selling when they see a short fail, then absolutely they're starting selling. So I think you are completely in the wrong, my brother. Don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time. I hope, my friends, the price will be double now at the end of month, and they will make you a millionaire now. So Vechain holder, hope you understand. Please don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time. I hope, my friends, in the end of this year they will give you a very good profit. Now you can see the last 24-hour chart is going to be further to now. So it's a very great news for Vechain holder to Vechain is wake up and they will go in the moon now. Thanks for watching, Vechain holder. Our target, as my friends, just in only 1 USD dollar, as is possible to you hold it. So subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.